Hello and welcome to our tutorial on the metrics page. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate through the metrics page and how to utilize all the tools that are available. To access your metrics, please click on the metrics icon located on the far left-hand nav bar. At the top, you'll see your last 10 assessment grades, or in the display drop-down, you can actually select all different items here. Performance by lesson, performance by area, and it will bring up grid pages here on how well you did in each one of those items. Over on the far right-hand side of your screen, you'll see your average grade. You'll see the highest grade and lowest grade available to you. You can download these metrics by simply clicking on the download icon. Now, located on the far right-hand display icon, you can again select if you'd like to view your diagnostic assessments, lesson assessments, session assessments, in this case TBS assessments, test bank sessions, or you'd like to see your practice exams. For example, I'm going to click on lesson assessments. Below here, you'll see any lesson assessments that you've taken. If you'd like to remove your scores and study time, you can simply check the box on the far left-hand side of your screen. That will select all of your sessions, and you can click on Archive Checked. This will remove your scores and study time from your dashboard page, and you can then retake that assessment. If you'd like to view your archive sessions, you can now click on View Archive Sessions. Keep in mind, if you check it here and you click on Delete Checked, that will remove these scores and study time forever, so you will be unable to retrieve them. I would highly suggest that you never completely delete your sessions. From here, you can also unarchive them, so that brings back your scores and study time, and you will now see them back on your dashboard page. And you can also come back and view your unarchived sessions, which would be your active sessions. Now below that, you'll see your assessment title that you took. You'll be able to rename it. So if you'd like to name these, you can simply click on this icon and you can change the assessment title to whatever you would like it to be. It will tell you how many questions you took, how many you got correct, how many you got incorrect, maybe how many questions you've skipped if you've done that, how many you flagged, how much time spent, and what was the start date of this assessment. And then your grade to the right. Now my grade to the right is in red because, again, red means that you've achieved less than a 75% or higher. If I had achieved that 75% or higher, I would get a grade in green, meaning that I've completed this lesson assessment. Now back to resetting your scores. If you would like to reset all of your scores and study time in a particular section or part, you'll need to go through, in this case, all 6 items under the display icon, and you'll need to archive all of the sessions within these assessments to archive all of your scores and study time. Now, to view your metrics for this particular session, click on the session name, and this will tell you whether you've received questions correct or incorrect. It will also give you a full rationale of why you got that question correct or incorrect. Over to the right-hand side of your screen, it will give you your total grade, again, how many correct, incorrect, skipped questions you've received. You can retake incomplete questions, or you can retake the entire exam again. And below, you can return to that lesson if maybe you didn't do very well, or if you did do well, you can go on to your next assignment. You can even print your results here by clicking on the printer icon. And that concludes our tutorial on our metrics page. If you have further questions, please contact support at 888-884-5669, or you can contact us through chat or via email at info@efficientlearning.com. Thank you for joining us.